Do you know the manager of your bank? How about the president of your bank? Do your bankers know you by name? Do they know and understand your business? Wouldn't you like to know the people who are making the decisions regarding your money? That's why at Independent Bank, our most senior managers and executives are readily accessible to clients and prospects. This approach to banking makes you more than just a number. You're our neighbor, our friend. We know you, your families, and your businesses. We can anticipate your needs and come up with the right solutions to help you realize your financial dreams. So when choosing the people you want by your side, choose a trusted financial partner that offers everything you need. Innovative and customized banking solutions delivered to you quickly, efficiently, and personally by your friendly neighborhood banker. That's what you'll find at Independent Bank. For more information about what Independent Bank can do for you, stop by your local Independent Bank office, visit our website, or follow us on our social networks.